Everything explained in this video will be quick and straightforward, and if you're not tuned in, you can miss an important tip. This is the indicator that I will be sharing with you guys in this video. It spots the exact shift in the market before it happens using the LOS technology, and show you exactly where the momentum is going to change in the market before it actually happens. So it's not like all those other indicators. As I explain this indicator in this video, you'll see it's not just another pretty overlay. It's like having X-ray vision on your chart. So without any delay, let me quickly show you how to add this indicator to your trading chart. So I'm in TradingView. You can select any time frame and asset you like. I will be using these. Now, to get this indicator on your chart, click on the Indicators button up top and just type in Lowest Channel. You're looking for the indicator called Lowest Channel plus RSI, created by Chart Prime. Go ahead and click that to add it to your chart. Ladies and gentlemen, this is the awesome Lowest Channel plus RSI indicator. Basically, it uses this clever lowest math technique to smooth out the price action, cutting down on market noise without much lag. This gives you a clearer picture of the underlying trend and potential turning points using dynamic channels and an RSI reading. So let's look at what you actually see on the chart. First up, you've got this solid center line. That's the lowest line itself. You'll notice it changes color, usually between something like purple and green. This color change tells you the current trend direction. Green for bullish and purple for bearish. It's designed to be pretty good at filtering out fakeouts. And when the line does change color, you'll often see these little diamonds pop up right on the chart. These diamonds highlight that a potential trend shift or reversal might be happening. Then, around that main lowest line, you'll see these dashed lines forming a channel. These are deviation-based bands calculated using volatility like a TR, and they expand or contract based on how much the price is moving. Think of these bands as potential areas where the price might be overextended. When the price touches or gets near these outer bands, it could signal a spot where the price might bounce back toward the center line, which some traders find super useful for spotting reversals or even for scalping opportunities, as price often reacts pretty strongly off these levels. And one more cool thing. Check out the next to the most recent candles. You'll see this vertical gauge. That's the built-in RSI gauge. It shows you the current relative strength index value visually right there in the context of the price channel. This is super handy for getting a quick read on momentum, whether the market might be getting overbought or oversold. All right, let's look at the settings of this indicator.
Do you feel like everyone around you benefits from artificial intelligence, but you have no idea where to start? Don't wait any longer. Start today. Our free trading bot is simple to use, powered by artificial intelligence, and can earn you up to 1% profit every single day. Over 500 members have already joined. Click the link below now to get free access. This is your chance to harness the power of AI and take a step toward a financial boost.
Like most indicators, you can tweak this one quite a bit. You can adjust the length input for the lowest calculation. Making this number smaller will make the center line and the bands react faster to price changes, which might suit scalpers or short-term traders. If you increase the length, things will get smoother, filtering out more noise and focusing on longer-term trends. You can also change the width of the bands, how far they are from the center line, customize all the colors, and even turn the RSI gauge on or off, or adjust its calculation length if you want. So definitely play around in there to see what works best for your style. Now, let's see how we can use this indicator in trading. One straightforward way is just using the main lowest line for trend direction. If the line is green, you might focus on looking for only buy opportunities. If it's purple, you should focus on taking only sell trades. Simple as that. The diamonds that appear when the color changes can act as confirmation signals that the trend might indeed be shifting. Another way of using this indicator is to use those outer channel bands. When the price pushes down and touches or gets close to the lower band, It could be a sign that the price is oversold or stretched to the downside, potentially hinting at a bounce or reversal backup. Conversely, if the price hits the upper band, just like we can see over here, this indicates that it might be overbought and could reverse back down. This is where that RSI gauge really comes into play for confirmation. So for a potential buy trade setup, you might wait for the price to come down near that lower deviation band, but you don't open the trade blindly after that. You'd also check that RSI gauge. If the gauge is showing a low reading, indicating oversold conditions, at the same time the price is near the lower band, that confluence gives you a stronger reason to believe a bounce or reversal upwards might be coming. You'd then look for your preferred entry signal, which can maybe be a bullish candle pattern, and then open a buy trade here. Let me give you a real-time buy trade example. So let's say we're looking at the GBP USD on the 1 hour time frame. The price dips down and touches the lower band, and the RSI gauge is deep in the oversold area at this time. So we know that the trend is about to shift. Right at that moment, we also spot a bullish engulfing candle forming. So here we have it. That's our cue. So we can enter a buy trade here. Our stop loss will be just below the lower band. The indicator is pretty easy to use and can easily be used with your favorite buy and sell signal indicator or whatever method you use to do that. A few candles later, price shoots back as expected and towards the center and even continues trending up. That's a clean bounce setup with multiple confirmations all aligning. Now for the sell setup. It's basically the opposite. You look for the price to push up towards the upper band. Then you check the RSI gauge. If it's showing a high reading suggesting overbought conditions, that could be your second confirmation. Then you wait for your buy or sell signal confirmation to open a sell position. Here's an example of that. The price just pushed up and touched the upper deviation band. At the same time, the RSI gauge is showing extremely overbought readings. Then here, a bearish engulfing candle shows up. That's your signal. So we can open a sell position here. So make sure you have these three things in your favor: the band touch, the RSI confirmation, and the bearish or bullish candle trigger. The lowest channel plus RSI indicator is a really solid tool that combines that advanced lowest smoothing for a responsive trend line with dynamic volatility bands and an integrated RSI gauge. It gives you a way to gauge the trend, spot potential overbought and oversold zones using the channel, and confirm momentum with the RSI, all in one package. It's pretty versatile, potentially useful for both trend following and catching reversals or bounces. If you found value in this video, please remember to leave a like. It really helps out. And hey, if you want to see more indicator reviews and trading ideas like this, consider subscribing so you don't miss out. Thanks for watching till the end. I'll see you guys in the next video.